Hello and welcome to today's lesson. Can you name the animals you see?
There's a monkey, a cockatoo, a guppy, and a butterfly.
Yes, and these animals can be classified into groups such as mammals, birds, fishes, and insects. I'm sure many of you like warm, soft, and cuddly animals like the kitten and the rabbit. These animals belong to a group known as mammals. All mammals have hair on their bodies and they are also warm-blooded. There are also animals which are not soft and cuddly like the whale and the porcupine. Do you know why these animals are classified into the same group?
They give birth to their young alive.
Yes, they do. They are also the only animals that feed their babies with their mother's milk. Look at these pictures. Are they also mammals?
Well, let's see.
Can you name some of the birds you see?
There's a hen, a sparrow, a crow, and an eagle.
Right, and they are all birds. Birds are easily identified by the feathers on their bodies. They are the only animals with feathers. All birds have a beak, 2 wings, and 2 legs. All birds lay eggs which are protected by a hard shell. Birds are also warm-blooded animals with a body temperature of 40 degrees Celsius. All birds have wings, but not all birds can fly. For example, the ostrich. Can you tell me why an ostrich cannot fly?
It's too big and heavy.
Yes, it is too big and heavy, and its wings are undeveloped. How do you think it will escape from danger if it is unable to fly?
Well, let's see.
Look at the fishes, seahorse, and eels swimming in the water. All these fishes live in water. Some fishes live in fresh water and some live in salt water. All fishes use their fins to help them to swim and they breathe through their gills. Fishes cannot live out of water for long. Most fishes are covered with scales. Some fishes, like the goldfish and the angelfish, reproduce by laying eggs. Guppies and some other fishes give birth to their young. Can you name the pictures of the insects you see?
Yes, there is a butterfly, a ladybird, an ant, and a housefly.
Good, these are insects. Do you know how to classify an insect?
No, can you tell me how I can identify an insect?
Well, all insects have 6 legs. Remember that only insects have 6 legs. Their bodies are divided into 3 parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. They have a pair of feelers on their head. Wings and legs are found on their thorax.
Oh, I see. So, these are the characteristics of an insect?
Yes, and there is one more important characteristic. The insect's soft body is covered by a hard outer covering. This hard outer covering protects the soft bodies and gives the insects its shape.
So insects do not have bones like us, but have outer coverings to give them a shape.
That's right. Do you know how an insect reproduces?
By laying eggs?
Yes, an insect reproduces by laying eggs. Look at these animals. Do you think they are insects?
No.
Why?
Well, let me try.
Let's recall what we have learned. All mammals have hair on their bodies and they feed their babies on the mother's milk. All birds have feathers on their bodies and they also have wings. All fishes live in water and they have fins to help them swim and they breathe through their gills. All insects have 6 legs. The body of an insect is divided into the head, thorax, and abdomen.